Hi friends, we're in Phuket and we took a half-day city tour. So we went to some key places and like to bring you along with us. So without further ado, let's go! We are now at Kata viewpoint. So over there is the Phuket area, and it should be that one over there should be the Patong beach, and then followed by Karon. Over there is Patong, and then Karon. Reached the foot of the Big Buddha here in Phuket, and my tour guide is with me. She's very knowledgeable. She was talking about the Big Buddha on the way here, and it's 200 and how many meter tall?
25 meter wide and 45 meter high.
Wow, 45 meter high.
Yeah.
So you can see very far away for the Buddha, right?
You can see panorama view.
Oh, wow.
You can see everything around the island.
Wow, wow, that's good. And today is a very good weather. Today's weather is very perfect for this walk, right?
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a perfect weather.
Yes.
And very high temperature.
Oh, is a business picking up after COVID? That's good, right? This year, much better than last year.
Half and half.
Half. Oh.
Because this year is special because very hot.
Hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Double hot. Before.
Last year not so hot.
Yeah, before the normal degree at the summer just 30 or 35.
Oh.
But right now
38.
Yeah.
Yes, I saw.
38 or 42 someday.
Yes.
Very hot.
Yes.
It's a white marble.
Oh, and it's from Myanmar.
Yeah, we import from the Myanmar.
Wow. And it's to build, to
you can
keep here.
You can touching the white marble. Highlight is a coal, feeling coal.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's from Myanmar?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because Myanmar is near from Thailand.
And Thailand don't have the marble in the nature, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Even the building here is marble outside, marble?
Yeah.
Wow.
Building or the body Big Buddha just marble. Yeah. We call it only marble. Because we building on the top.
Right.
And have made the weather.
Oh, the sun.
Yeah, the sun, the rain. If we decorate with the color, not beautiful.
Yep.
Yeah.
So marble is suitable for this area and the structure, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So why we import white marble from the Myanmar? Because red money. Red money. The Myanmar is a cheap. And we can buy a lot. If we import somewhere, maybe expensive.
Yes.
Yes.
And Myanmar near. And the friend country. Friend.
Yeah, friend country. And the red money in Thai is a high. If we exchange money to import the Myanmar. Yeah.
Much cheaper.
Yeah.
Myanmar much cheaper.
Correct. Many people like ask, why you not import? My country have a lot, but oh my God, your country, your country money is a high.
Big.
Yeah.
Yes. So over here we have the panorama view of the Phuket and the surrounding islands.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, today you can see PP Island.
Oh, can see PP Island. So it's a very good weather.
You see the last island in the sky.
That one over there?
The last island.
Furthest away.
In the sky. Yeah.
Wow.
The left island is a PP Island, and in front of the PP Island is a PP Dawn.
PP Dawn.
Yeah, near PP Dawn is a Maya Bay.
Oh.
Yeah, The last island. You can see
Yes.
when the sky very clean, but today is a good luck.
Yes. It's very good, clear sky.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, Karon.
Wow, look at that.
Yes.
Because this place is a first place for the tourists and Phuket people come to meeting and talking about business. Yeah, the old city here about around 100 years ago too. Yeah, when we have a King Rama fight. Yeah, total right now maybe a 200 years ago. Yeah, because the King Rama fight is the first king or king of business. Yeah, he is the first king or first idea. Open the area in Thai for the tourists in the world. You can come to talk or you can come to learning, travel or business with the Thai people. Yeah, and before we come with the boat only. And some country you take a long time. Some country you sit in the boat 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Yeah, because your country is so far from Thai. When you already at the pier, you come a long time. You not stay 1 week, 2 week. You stay a long time too. And when they come before, they come with the product in the country. Yeah, we are Thai people. We show the Thai product too with you. Yeah, we sharing together. And some person when they live in Thai, they live a long time. Some people they buy house, buy area, or buy building. If they buy building or they living a long time, or they marry with a Thai lady, Malay lady, they like a decorate on the building same original style in the country. So why right now around here many style, many culture, yeah, mix and match. But before for living and talking about business, right? But right now only business. Yeah, they live out the city, and some building have Thai people to live inside. You can walk around and see.
So we are at Phuket Old Town, and this place is, according to my tour guide, here is where all the early settlers come to Phuket to trade, talk about business, and stay here. Look at the hats, so many kinds of hats. Yeah.
Where the roses?
Ooh.